Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to start making money as a UGC creator, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process on how to actually find a really good offer so you guys won't have to do any research or homework on the best offers, because I did all of that for you guys already, and I'm going to show you the best offer to use. Not only that, but I'm going to walk you through the entire steps on how to actually get approved for the offer. It's relatively easy, and also I'll show you how to get paid and how to make the content and everything like that. So stick around, guys. Just turn off your TikTok brain for literally a couple of minutes, and it's gonna pay off well, because this offer is actually really good and you can start making money straight from your home and not have to do much work at all, because it's relatively easy. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So as you can see, this is actually my Phantom wallet that we're looking at here. So it's a crypto wallet, and this is money I've made as a UGC creator just from this side hustle alone, guys, in the last year from being a UGC. Now, to some people, 68K is not a ton of money, right? But it obviously helps with bills, groceries, and whatnot, and just any other expenses you might have in your life. Like, it really is a pretty good, substantial amount of income for the amount of work that I did to, obtain it. It really wasn't that much work at all, and I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how I did it. And I've tested many offers as well. So the one I'm going to show you guys in this video is probably the best one out there right now available, like as of 2026 at the time of me recording this. And yeah, guys, and the reason this offer is so good though is because, number one, you will not need a big follower count. So a lot of UGC, offers, they might want you, one of the restrictions or one of the requirements that they might have for the creators that are applying is that they might want you guys to have, a certain amount of followers, like over 10,000 followers, or they might want you to already have your own personal brand. But this offer that I'm going to show you guys, you don't need any of that. So you don't need a personal brand, you don't need a substantial amount of followers. And number two, guys, you will not need to showcase any products at all. So, some of these brands will want to ship out, a sample of their product, or they might want to send you guys as a supplement, and you might have to show the supplement in your videos and whatnot. But this offer that I'm going to show you guys is not a physical product. It's not a product you have to do research on, so you won't have to make any scripts, guys. You won't have to do any scripts. Really, really good. That's a huge bottleneck for some of these offers, because you have to spend time like writing a script, thinking, how am I going to do it? You might have somebody, you might need somebody to record it for you, like to record you doing the acts and whatnot. The best part about this one is that you're just talking to your camera, so it's like a talking head style, and you just slap some assets over it that they give to you in a script. So you literally read a script that they give you, and then you slap on some images and videos like behind you. So it's like the green screen effect, and they give you all the images and videos to use. So it's super convenient, super easy to record. You can literally do it right now, like 3 minutes in your room, or even out and about at your job, you could do it. But yeah, guys, no physical product needed. That is honestly one of my, the biggest benefits of this, or one of the pros of this, because a lot of UGC offers, they send you out whatever it is, a supplement, whatever it is they're promoting, like a pillow for your back or whatever. So let's go to the next slide here so I can show you guys. We're about to get to where the offer is located, so you guys know where to join up and everything like that. Don't worry, guys, the good stuff is about to happen. Let's go ahead and continue here. So here's a case study right before I show you guys how do you obtain this offer and start promoting for it. Here's a case study. This guy right here, Cuzzy, he's actually somebody in the UGC program of this offer, and he's literally making over $5,000 a month profit from these. And this is not even like his full-time gig. He just does it. He devotes like an hour or two a day, because he's actually doing it at a larger scale than some of you might do it. He's actually posting like at least 5 videos a day for it. But as you guys can see, it's a talking head style. So he's talking he's talking with his face, and then behind him is a video and images. Okay. So he doesn't have to do research on any of this. The script is fully handed to him, and then he goes into Instagram. And when he's recording his face, he adds on the videos and pictures behind him. So it's super convenient for that reason, and you don't have to know any of this stuff. They give you a script, you literally just read it word for word and record yourself. So once again, guys, here's the videos behind him and the photo and whatnot, and you just download it from the script and then just place it behind you. So now we're gonna go over to the next slide, guys. So here's the best part. Where do you guys sign up and how do you get started? Super simple. Go over to ugcelite.xyz, guys. This is the site, ugcelite.xyz. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Is the hero section. Go ahead and click this button right here that says Join UGC Elites. Join UGC Elites, guys. Click that. Make sure you do have a Discord account though, because you need a Discord account. That's where like the hub is at, and that's where the staff are and whatnot. So you can make a ticket, and then you can go ahead and just send your socials. They're gonna tell you, all right, we're ready to get started. Here's the script, and we'll pay you after you post or whatnot. But yeah, guys, go over to ugcelite.xyz. That is the website right there to get started. Once you're in, guys, like I said, it's a Discord server. You're gonna go ahead and make a ticket. There's gonna be a section that you guys will see. It will say click here to get started or something like that. And then there's gonna be a button that says like make a ticket. You're gonna make a ticket. Just go ahead and send your socials. So send your Instagram account, send your Facebook account if you have one as well. They like people that post on Facebook as well. You could also send your TikTok. Just some other things you could send is your age, how old you are and where you're from. Or you don't have to do your age, but like where you're from. Sometimes they are looking for specific people from tier 1 countries, and most UGC brands are looking for that. They're usually looking for people in like USA, Europe, or Australia and whatnot, because where you are located kind of influences where the social media platform delivers your video like to that specific audience. It's not always true. It's not always apparent. Like I've seen people that are not in the USA upload content and it still hits majority USA audience. So it's not a huge deal breaker, but just mention where you're from, because that's how they'll know like what IP address your social media account is being based off of. So guys, also for this, you might need to make a new Instagram account. So keep that in mind. You might need to make a new Instagram account for the gig. And the reason for that is because in the bio of the Instagram account, you will have to go ahead and leave a link to their funnel. So the people that are going to go ahead and pay you for making these UGC videos, they're actually paying you to get traffic to their offer or website or whatever. It doesn't just end off on Instagram. So they actually need the visitors that you're making the videos for. That audience needs to be redirected to their website. That's how they make money, and that's how they pay you guys and pay me as well. So essentially you're gonna have to add a link in your bio. So you might have to make a new Instagram account if your current one is occupied by another offer, or or it's just your personal Instagram. You don't want to really affiliate it with business or work related stuff. So you might have to make a new Instagram account. I'll walk you guys through that process. It's really easy though. So you will have to get the account warmed up though for it to start hitting the algorithm and being able to start getting views and whatnot, and be trusted by Instagram, because Instagram has like their own auditing process where they actually go ahead and make sure that your account is not spam worthy or a low quality account. So they do have a specific auditing process. And to make sure that we pass that auditing process, you guys will have to sign up for a new Instagram account. Make sure you're using a clean IP address. Make sure this IP address is not, one that has been banned multiple times. Most of you guys watching don't run into that, because you're not like black hat marketers that are running like phone farms with like 50, 100 accounts on one IP address. So you won't have to worry about that. Go ahead and set up your name and profile picture, guys. Put a good name and profile picture. Put your face, put like your name or whatever. Just doesn't have to be your name. You don't have to dox yourself. But now here's the big one. Let the account sit for about 24 hours. Also, in the meantime, while you let it sit, you can scroll a bit. Scroll a little bit. Get some human activity so the Instagram knows like, hey, this guy is a person. It's not a bot. This is not botted. You guys can go ahead and let the account sit for about 24 hours. And then once you guys go ahead and do that, also you can follow a couple of people. This is just done to go ahead and show the algorithm that you are a real person. So just go ahead and follow a few people and whatnot. And now that the account is warmed up, you guys can go ahead and now and start posting, the content and the scripts that they provide to you. So guys, the pay is, so now we're going to talk about the payment and whatnot. This is the exciting part, right? Everyone wants to get their money. So the pay is $25 per post. Now, in terms of UGC marketing and the marketplace and whatnot, this is pretty competitive, considering the fact that there is no product, there is no research, there is no script. The videos are literally super easy to record. I mean, if you gave me a script, I can knock it out right now within 5 minutes. You download the assets, read the script, boom, 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 post the hashtags that they give you, use the description they give you, boom, choose an audio as well, a trending audio, boom, videos up within 5 minutes, you get paid $25. If it does get over 1,000 views. I forgot to mention, guys, that is a requirement. The video has to get over 1,000 views in order to qualify for that $25 payment. Also, they do check if you do bot views, so do not bot views, guys. They will eventually catch on if they don't right away. If you do get under 1,000 views, the payment will be $10. But guys, it is really easy to get over 1,000 views, so don't think that's like some sort of like that's the catch. Like, oh, like they pay good, but like only if you get 1,000 views. If you're not hitting at least 1,000 views per video anyways, it means that your account is probably flagged or something is off, because you should be hitting at least 1,000 views. I mean, that's not a lot of views, especially in the niche that we're working in here with this program. I mean, with this offer, it's like crypto related and like current events and geopolitical news. So it's like really trendy, and it uses trendy hashtags, and you get to use trendy audio. So hitting 1,000 views is not hard at all. But guys, like I said, one of the best niches as well, because $25 per post is a lot, considering that these videos are super fast to record. You can get multiple deals a day if you're performing well. So it doesn't just cap at $25. You can do 2 posts, 3 posts, you know, make extra income. And yeah, it's just relatively easy, a very, very easy vibe. Like it's not like, oh, you got to research the product. You gotta make a whole act. Like you got to get your friend to record, your brother, your sister, or your friend to record you. And make multiple skits, because I know some UGC, like you got to cut it up and like do multiple acts. In this one, it's just one take usually. You read a freaking script, you're done. Okay, guys? And yeah, it's super easy to record. All right, let's go over to here. Also, guys, like I said, there is room for bonuses and pay increases if your videos perform well. So don't fret. It doesn't just cap at $25. If you perform well, you're just being consistent, you're engaged and you know, excited to work, there is room for bonuses for you. So it's great. And let's say your video hits 100,000 views, 50,000 views, you will be that will be accommodated. Like that will not go unnoticed. So you guys need to take that into account. Like, hey, this also has room for benefits, room for growth, and it might even grow your own personal brand. And since the videos are in crypto niche, you can even promote affiliate opportunities like the FOMO app, which I'll show you guys. Actually, in the Discord, they'll probably explain that to you. But it's another great incentive for you guys to take up on this offer, because you can even get affiliate deals. But anyways, guys, the payment is done in crypto. With crypto, that is a big consideration for you guys that aren't familiar with crypto. But do not worry. Crypto is relatively easy to use nowadays and super normie friendly. So this honestly is not a huge like bottleneck or, you know, constraint. And if you do think it is, do not worry, guys. I'll explain to you how to get paid with crypto. It's so easy. So you're gonna make a Phantom Wallet app. This is the app right here, Phantom. Super trustworthy. It's been around forever. And essentially, you make a wallet. They give you a wallet, and they give you like a specific address, and you're gonna give it to the Discord, and they're gonna pay you the money. And it's real money. Like you could literally buy stuff with crypto. I use crypto all the time to buy stuff. You could send freelancers crypto. They'll do work for you. You could literally buy food online. You can have even a crypto credit card, which I've used, and you could buy most things on it. I paid for my, you know, Claude subscription, my HeyGen subscription, many stuff online with crypto. And you can even use the card in real life. I've literally bought groceries in real life. So right now it's 2026, guys. Crypto adoption is everywhere. So don't feel, you know, some sort of, you know, don't feel like a bit worried or fearful of the fact that, hey, they only pay with crypto, because I know it has a little bit of a negative, you know, association. People associate crypto with some negative stuff. Like they think it's a scam, they think it's like a Ponzi scheme and whatnot. But it's being adopted everywhere, guys. It's really, really easy to use as well. And like I said, you have to use the Phantom Wallet app. So you can download that on your iPhone or Android device, and it's relatively easy to find the app. It's like the first one. You just type in Phantom, make a wallet, and also, guys, you can withdraw it to your bank. So don't worry. You can even, if you don't want to opt for crypto anymore, you can take the crypto and exchange it to your bank. Easy. The way you do that is you have to make a Coinbase account, send the crypto from your Phantom Wallet, because the Phantom Wallet is is a wallet. So now you need to send it to a centralized exchange, which would be Coinbase. And then on Coinbase, you would put in your bank account details, and they will give you the option to withdraw that crypto to your bank. I've done it before, and you can even withdraw it to PayPal on Coinbase as well. So it's real money, guys. It's not just crypto. It's not digital money. You can literally turn it into real money. So guys, that is going to be it for the video. Like I said, though, this is probably the easiest way to get started with UGC. And you could take, like, I'm not making this up. I actually do this as well. Like, I've done UGC work before. As you can see, here's my wallet, all from UGC work. That's a good amount of money, guys. Like, that's not a joke either. Like, that's like a decent paying salary right there, just for recording videos in my free time. There is no schedule. You can do it from your room. You can do it outside. You can do it at your job. Like, just find a corner where it's quiet for literally 5 minutes, and it's great. And there is connections to be made as well in this space, so it's great. Like I said, you could grow your personal brand, include affiliate deals, and crypto is a great market for affiliate deals because it's a high-paying niche. And like I said, this niche is crypto. You will be promoting, like, you'll see the scripts when you get in, but you'll see what I'm talking about. And yeah, they'll give you the hashtags, the scripts, everything, and yeah, whatnot. So if you guys enjoy the video, drop a like, subscribe to my channel right now, and leave some comments below of any questions you may have, and I'll attend to you guys once I do go ahead and see your questions and whatnot. So thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.